When do you need a new tire? I personally think everyone should have 10 tires in stock, just in case. It's a good idea to keep track of the amount of burnouts or heat cycles on the tire. The tire only has so many heat cycles in them. As we've talked about, getting the tire too hot in the burnout is bad. This causes the tire to degrade quicker. A common misconception is that if a tire isn't working, a bigger burnout will make it better. Not true, as we have discussed earlier. What it does do is bring the oils to the surface, making the tire snotty, and causes the tire to degrade faster. The wear holes give an indication of the depth of the tread that is left, but this does not give an indication of the life left in the tire. The best way to determine that is to keep track of the heat cycles in your logbook. Next to that, you'll want to write down your 60-foot times. As a rule of thumb, a Mickey Thompson tire 60-foot performance is linear. When it degrades, it falls off fast. Your logbook will show a correlation between your 60-foot times and heat cycles. If you find, for example, your tire wears out in 25 runs and/or burnouts, and you have 22 before a national event, you may want to replace the tire. You can use the old tire for testing sessions. Remember, you got 10 in stock. One exception to this number of heat cycles is when tires have at least one heat cycle prior to the end of a season. It will not be usable at the beginning of the next season, that is if you live in a climate where it experiences winter. One heat cycle will negatively affect the future performance of the tire if it's left sitting over a long period of time. If you like this Tire Tech video series, share it with your friends. For future tech tips, please subscribe.